This is Miriam.
What's this mean? What's this mean? And then this. Is there one more?
What's in Miriam?
Candy and a princess finger. Oh, and then two.
It's a Spider-Man hat. It'll be your new winter hat.
My new Spider-Man hat. Yo.
What else is in there?
Oh, what did she say, Miriam?
She didn't say anything. Oh, look.
I bet you can make her say
Does
something.
a schoolwork book.
Yeah, you got a schoolwork book, huh?
Look, Mom, it says something right there.
Yeah?
Oh, where's the other one? Where's the other
Let's not take that out yet, okay?
What
It's
is
special.
it?
It's got a pin on it.
It's a clip.
Yeah. And you got lots of stickers, didn't you?
Yes.
Oh, my.
And look at this. I
Some
got
candies.
It's Spider-Man
Nerds.
gloves.
You have Spider-Man gloves?
Oh, Mommy, look at this.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Some goes in there.
Oh, my goodness.
So much.
Yes.
You're putting them in the wrong. Pinky
What
goes
can
in
you
there.
say, Miriam?
This finger goes.
Hey, Miriam.
Here out.
Thank you, Grandma Martha.
Miriam? Who sent the box?
Ah! Look, my own Barbie stickers.
Hey, Zach, what do you say?
Thanks, Grandma. Thanks, Grandma Sharon. And my Marianne stickers. Why? You always dream them. What else for me? Oh look, this can come out. For me. There, what else? This can come out too, Mom.
Oh, can she undress a little bit?
What's this?
Oh, yeah, don't pull on this.
Only this.